Hello guys, this is a CLA 45 2022. Brief walk around of the exterior, looking at some of the key features inside this magnificent CLA Coupe. Decent sized trunk. This car has the AMG Night package that provides high gloss black elements on the rear section here, black spoiler, tinted rear LED tail lights courtesy of the Autobahn package by the dealership, and all the windows are tinted as well to match the AMG Night package, which has the high gloss black elements right here on these circular tailpipe. Side perspective, AMG forged rims on Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. Size on the rear tires 255/35 R19, 19-inch rims. Chrome door handles, night gloss black on the exterior, black side mirror housings, Turbo 4MATIC Plus for the all-wheel drive system. Aggressive features at the front here, courtesy of the aerodynamics package that provides these Aeroflex large intakes, front brakes perforated right here with the gray brake calipers. Very nice. Power domes on the hood, LED light package with daytime running and adaptive high beam assist, multi-beam lights, single eyebrow at the top. Even more aggressive air intakes right here, which allows this car to gobble up a ton of air to cool the engine, because this is a 2-liter inline 4 with a staggering 382 horsepower for the US market and 354 pound-feet of torque. So you need a ton of air to cool the engine under this hood here. Panamericana grille, AMG branding, and front-facing camera right here. I just love how this car looks in this section. Has a very menacing look, very aggressive front here with a shock design. Oh boy, this is a nice car. Love the rims, Pilot Sport 4S tires, rear LED taillights, even more aggressive with that rear spoiler right here. Let's jump inside. Speaker system, storage, and red leather here with the black and the gray contrast stitching. It's a coupe because guess what? We have frameless doors. How nice is that? Hey Mercedes.
How can I help?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Open the roller sun blinds.
Okay, I'm opening the roller sun blinds.
Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Close the roller sun blinds.
I'm closing the roller sun blinds.
Has voice assistant. I love it. Very comfortable seats. Love the headrest design. If I switch my camera, you can see there is a ton of space between my head and the roof of the car. I'm 5'10", and small distance here, small space between the front seat and my knees, because I've actually pushed the seat all the way back for the good point of view drive experience, but guaranteed there's about 2 inches from your knees to the front seat. Let's jump outside again. And reading light right here. That's a plus. Love the contrast stitching. Let's go inside. Memory seating 1, 2, 3, and heated seats. And because this car has dynamic select options, it provides different drive modes. Sport Plus for the more fun, energetic, sporty drive. It has a Sport mode, Comfort, Individual mode, and Slippery for snow conditions and raining conditions. I prefer to drive in the Sport Plus mode when I want to have some fun and just feel the energy from the car. I don't know if you guys can hear the pops in the back. It sounds incredible. Problem is I can't open these windows. The car just got a new set of tints on the windows, and there is a sticker here, do not roll down. But it's a brand new 2022 CLA 45 AMG. Well, this is such a fun car to drive, and it has all the right bells and whistles in terms of connectivity and tech. You have all your digital emission cluster metrics over here for you. Center display is also arguably good in terms of infotainment. I believe Mercedes has, in my opinion, the best infotainment system of any luxury brand out there. Very nice features inside here. Let's go through some of these features real quick. It has a settings option that gives you head-up display access, vehicle assistance in terms of active brake assist, attention assist, as well as blind spot assist. Those are pretty much self-explanatory. They provide safety features for this car. In addition, there are automatic seat adjustment options to set your seat according to your height and how you prefer to drive. Rear view camera system, acoustic lock, automatic door locks, automatic folding for the side mirrors if you park your car, and standby mode. If you leave your car for long periods of time, you can set that mode on. Light fixtures, light options, ambient lighting inside this car. Hey Mercedes,
How may I help you?
set the ambient light to blue.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And just like that, you have a voice assistant which allows you to have a semi-autonomous driving experience without touching this infotainment screen. You can issue commands and various voice commands to have it just do whatever you want, drive to a location, find a restaurant, and things like that. So that's pretty cool feature to have in your car. Exterior lighting delay sets a timer to let you know when the exterior lights will go off. In this case, 15 seconds. After 15 seconds, all the lights on the exterior go off. Interior lighting delay, daytime running lights. You saw those single eyebrows at the very front, and locator lighting. If you park your car in a very large parking space, you want to be able to find your car, you press your key fob, and the locator lighting flashes to let you know where your car is, assuming it's at night. System options has designs and displays, which means at the touch of a button, you can adjust your designs with one simple click. Let's set it to classic. Let's see how this looks. It disengages the AMG performance theme and sets this classic look. Sport look. This is how the sport look looks. And then Super Sport, which is a more AMG focused theme. You have a very large speedometer at the center, shows you your boost, EQ boost metrics and data, and temperatures, as well as your transmission temperature and all the other fluids. You see all your TPMS systems, tire pressure monitoring system, all the different PSIs on each of your tires. You can see those here, braking, parking, and all the other good stuff. And those are the system menu options: controls, voice assistant, audio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, time and dates, language preference, units of your metric system, miles per hour or kilometers per hour if you're in Europe, license activator and software update. Let's go back, Mercedes Me and apps, and performance. that lets you see the vehicle data in terms of your acceleration and braking. And engine can see the performance, the engine torque, fuel consumption shows up here, and dynamic select options. This is where you configure your individual configuration for the car, which allows you to set how you prefer to drive. If you want to have a more sporty drive, you can tighten your suspension, and the responsiveness you want to receive from the steering wheel, you can also set that here in this individual configuration mode. So your drive, transmission, and other dynamics go into that: basic, advanced, or professional. Transmission, manual or dynamic. And drive mode: reduced, moderate, sport, dynamic. Let's go back. Comfort features. We spoke about the ambient lights, pretty much self-explanatory. The next feature, which I love, is the seat kinetics. If I press on this seat and press the play button, this means as I drive, I receive thigh support right here from the seat, the base of the seat, and also the side bolsters, these sections of the seat right here. Okay, so those provide that extra comfort as you drive, as well as for your passenger too. You can set that seat comfort menu. Media, pretty much self-explanatory. Media options: Bluetooth and USB, music, radio, AM and FM. Very nice displays. You can swipe left or right. You can also set the Sirius XM radio if it's enabled. You can swipe up for the themes and adjust all your infotainment system options. Turbine looking air vents right here. Very nice exclusive upper dash with a rubberized material. Wood trim right here. 64 colors ambient lights. At the top has the leather wrapped upper dash and the head-up display right here. You can barely see it over here. Speaker system on the frame of the door. Airbag system for security and safety. Good quality sun visors with a light here. Emergency services and other SOS Mercedes-Me functions. And the panorama glass, I will open that. And then the view in the back. Red exclusive Napa leather with the black contour stitching. Love these headrests, which is simply one unit, and the headrest is attached to the back of the seat. Feels very sporty. It does have contour seats right here with the multi-contour features on the car. For the passengers, memory seating 1, 2, 3, heated seats, and the gray contrast stitching on the leather here. The center console finished in black piano lacquer trim right here. The trackpad, haptic feedback, palm rest, 2 cup holders right here, NFC wireless charging, and the climate control systems down here. You can barely see the 64 color ambient lights, and the AMG steering wheel, flat bottom design, cruise control options on the left hand side, MBUX system options for entertainment right here, and these sensors, these small pads here give you haptic feedback as you adjust, and you can feel that at the center here. You can adjust your menu left or right. And this is it, guys, the CLA 45 2022. The exterior color is a polar white. There have been additional options configured in this car. This is known as the Autobahn package. The rear LED taillights are tinted to match the black accents on the rear and on the side of the car, courtesy of the AMG Night package. The CLA 45 insignia is also blacked out, as well as the AMG badging right here. Performance exhaust system. Looks very nice. So on a scale of 1 to 10, guys, leave a rating. Tell me what you think about the new 2022 CLA 45. Alright, that's a look at the 2022 CLA 45 Coupe. If you do like this video, please guys, consider subscribing. Give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to Mercedes Lounge for weekly Mercedes as well as Mercedes-AMG videos. Until next time, guys, stay positive but test negative. Peace.